Friends, this is RC back again, and today I have come back with some fruits. They are usually grown in Southeast Asian countries but available all over the world. Sometimes we just look at the fruit and decide whether the fruit is good or not, but I assure you all these fruits are really very good for our health, and we should eat variety of fruits, not just our favorite fruits. So I'm going to introduce some very unique and exotic fruits to you in this video. So I'm starting it with my favorite cherries. Wow, such lovely fruits. At number 1 we have dragon fruit, which is also called Bua Naga. It is very rich in antioxidants and fiber. It is fat free and also contains prebiotics. At number 2 we have mangosteen, which is also called mungis. It is also very rich in antioxidants. It promotes weight loss, keeps the immune system healthy. At number 3 we have salak pondak, which is also called snake fruit. It is very rich in beta carotene, antioxidants and vitamin C. At number 4 we have longan. It is a kind of lychee. It reduces stress, improves memory and increases the energy level. At number 5 we have avocado. It lowers cholesterol, good for heart's health and a rich source of vitamin E. At number 6 we have rambutan. It is also from lychee family. It reduces bad cholesterol, prevents anemia and is an immunity booster. At number 7 we have star fruit, which is very rich in vitamin C, usually sour in taste but rich in dietary fiber. At number 8 we have palm fruit. It is very rich in vitamin E and vitamin A. It helps improve skin and hair health but can be eaten in limited quantity. Usually it is very bitter and tasteless. At number 9 we have jackfruit, which is a good source of fiber and helps regulates blood pressure. At number 10 we have pineapple, which is loaded with nutrients. Enzymes in it ease digestion and have disease fighting antioxidants. Now I'll try eating some fruits. This is dragon fruit or Bua Naga. It's available in many countries in Southeast Asia. You can just cut it from the center and to eat it you just take out the scoop. See how beautiful it looks, and you can just enjoy it. And full of antioxidants. You can see the closer look of this fruit. Young children love to eat this fruit. You can see my tongue. This is mungis mangosteen, and this is very yummy fruit. You just need to remove the skin and you will get the fruit like this from inside. It looks like garlic flakes, but the taste is amazing. It's usually called a slimming fruit. When you eat this, you really reduce your weight. So I'm not waiting for anything else and I'm going to eat it. Sometimes you get a very small seed inside. That is not eatable. You need to remove the seed. But in this one I didn't get any seed. You can have a look on another one also. This is salak fruit, salak pondak, or you can even call it snake fruit. You can see the skin of this fruit is just like snake's skin. How beautiful it looks. So we are going to peel it. You can eat the inside flesh of this fruit. It is very thin, it will just come out quickly. Now this is a fruit to be eaten. This seed from inside, cannot eat this one. Just remove the seed. But the flesh you can eat. It's sometimes very pungent but very good for health. Lychee family, and again you need to remove the skin and the seed, and flesh can be eaten, and flesh is very yummy. So let's peel the skin. It will come out immediately, very thin skin. And you can just remove the seed from this. Yeah. Now this flesh can be eaten. This is avocado, and we can even call it alpukat. And this is the ripe one. When it is raw, it is green in color, but when it is ripe, we can use it for dips and to make smoothies. And the best way to cut it is lengthwise. Cut it like this. You can remove the seed, and flesh can be taken out to make smoothies or dips. It's very good for your heart's health, and you can even add it into salads and can even be eaten raw. So let's try it. This is rambutan. It's from lychee family, and the fruit is very yummy. You can eat the flesh of the fruit. You need to remove this spiky skin and the seed, which is not eatable. So just peel the skin. You can eat the fruit, and in the center you will get the seed. Now this is the fruit, which is very sweet and tasty. You can just eat it and enjoy. This is jackfruit. This person is cleaning it and peeling it.
Buah nangka.
Buah nangka.
Yeah.
In this fruit, the yellow part can be eaten. It's very sweet and can be used in desserts. Usually the size of jackfruit varies from 1 kilogram up to 50 kilograms. This is palm fruit. It's actually quite bitter but very healthy and full of vitamin E if eaten. It usually comes in red color, yellow color and brown color, but this red color is eatable, and it's usually used to make the oil. It's quite bitter, but so much of vitamin E is found in this fruit. So this is palm fruit, and this is pineapple. Very common fruit, available all over the world, but Philippines pineapples and Hawaiian pineapples are very juicy and very sweet. It is very important that how you remove these thorns from the pineapple. In Indonesia, you can even buy the peeled pineapple. This seller is an expert and how well he is peeling the pineapple and removing all the thorns. If you are buying the peeled pineapple, then better wash it before eating. This is the cut pineapple, and it's very clean. The juices of pineapple are like enzymes to our body and really help you to be healthy. So guys, must eat fruits every day. Replace at least one meal with fruits, and be healthy and be happy.